Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is shared in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. From here I select part modeling. Now we will select the plane for sketching, and here I am select a top plane. Make a rectangle of 64 by 50 mm. And place it into center. Extrude it of 16 mm value. And select top face as a sketch plane and make a rectangle. (22 by 64 mm) and again extrude 26 mm. Select side face as a sketch plane. Make a sketch for stiffener. Extrude 10 mm dimension and mirror respect to center plane. Select side face as a sketch plane and make a slot. Dimension is 18 by 6 mm. (16 mm from the side) and OK. And drag it to up to last. Now select a top face as a sketch plane. Make a rectangle of 18 by 10 mm. Again extrude it. Remove material. Just pick and drag. (15 by 30). Make it on center. Just pick and drag. for remove material, hide all the planes, and our sketch is finished.